If you have back pain, this video is for you. These are some stretches you can do to make sure that you're managing things at home. So what you're gonna do is make sure you're up for 10 to 15 minutes to get your muscles warmed up, so you don't wanna stretch on cold muscles. You're gonna start face up, make sure you got a pillow underneath your head here, and be on the edge of your bed. You're gonna grab with one hand for stability over here, and then you're gonna go ahead and drop this leg down. And as that leg hangs down, that is going to open up this hip joint. The muscles that are deep in here that are affecting people with back pain, you're gonna do that stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds on both sides. The next stretch you're gonna do is gonna be laying on your side. So you go ahead and make sure that pillow is still under your head, and you're going to let this leg drop off the side and even bring that top arm and let that hang back here so we can stretch the glute and the low back muscles. You don't wanna bounce. This is a static stretch, and again, we wanna make sure we're warmed up. So this is going to help you not only feel better, this is gonna help you move better. If you have neck pain, we're gonna show you some exercises and stretches to help you feel better and move better. What we're doing today is called an anchor stretch. You're gonna hook your hand at the bottom here, and then you're gonna laterally bend to the side, and then you can grab your own head here for a little extra stretch, but do what's called a static stretch. We're not gonna bounce, we don't wanna tear any tissue. Then we're gonna reset, and we're gonna go ahead and do the back side. So now we're gonna go down on an angle, and then holding back here so it's stretching the back. You do each of those for 20 to 30 seconds. So what you want to do is be on a soft carpeted floor, make sure your chin is tucked, and press your head back into the carpet and hold that for 15 to 20 seconds. The other one we're going to do is we're going to keep our chin tucked, and we're going to lift our head driving up and just holding up, and that's going to work the deep flexors of the neck. 15, 20 seconds, and then go ahead and relax and rest for 15 seconds between, and you're going to want to do that for 3 sets. A lot of people come to us for shoulder injuries, whether they're caused from car accidents, sports injuries, or bad posture. What happens is things get misaligned in the shoulder, and instead of having that full range of motion like you should have, you just can't quite get that up. So we're gonna show you some exercises to strengthen and stabilize your shoulder and manage shoulder pain. What you wanna do is either get a cable at your gym or some exercise band like this, and then take the slack out, and you're going to externally rotate with that elbow staying into the side, nice and slow both ways, so you work the muscle both ways. Second one we're gonna show you, so you can either use dumbbells or you can use the bands, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go looking straight down and pulling back like that, 8 to 12 repetitions, doing 3 different sets. So what you're working on is the rear deltoid. This way we're building things up and pulling ourselves back into better posture.